put it in.
You can see me too. Papa.
You gonna do a spinner?
That's it.
Oh, you're crazy. Must sleep good at night after dinner, huh?
They go to bed like at 9. And they wake up at 9.
That was warm, Papa.
Bless ya.
What?
Go
What?
swim. Go
I said
swim.
bless you.
What?
Go swim.
Go swim.
Never mind. You're aggravating me. Just play. Go swim. Where are you? Upstairs?
Welcome to my world.
Oh, like I didn't go through it?
I know, is it that bad?
Get up there.
Xavier, jump in again. Do a cannonball.
I didn't.
I'll do the pencil.
Oh,
Belly flop.
That was cute.
That was a belly
It
flop.
looks like a dive.
I'll show you a cannonball. Get on the ladder. All the water will be gone. You ready?
That's a swim.
Watch. I'm going to do a cannonball. You ready?
Yeah.
Belly flop.
Sasa, you jump in now.
You
That's
jump
a
in.
belly flop.
Sasa's turn.
No. Don't die.
You want to stand on my shoulders and jump? Go, please. Watch. Stand on my shoulders. Stand up. All right, wait a minute. Here, give me your hand.
Stand on Papa's shoulders.
Put your feet on my shoulders. There you go.
Now we
Jump.
Yeah.
Go ahead, jump. Want to do it again?
Yeah.